welcome to your homeschool. This is your next session of Constructions NCERT CBSE syllabus, class 10. Exercise 6.2, we are going to continue the next problem. That is your fourth problem. Look here children, in this problem, we are going to construct tangents here. How do we do tangents? So here I am going to show you two methods how to do a tangents. Whichever method you feel comfortable, you can go with this. Okay. So now look here. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So first method, look here children. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Draw a circle. Okay. Which are inclined to each other. Understand the word? Which are inclined. What are we talking about here? We are talking here about a pair of tangents. Then the inclination word also goes to the tangent only. The inclination of these tangents are at an angle of 60 degrees. So understand the question carefully children. Tangents means like this, you may get two tangents here. Okay, it should not touch this much, it should touch only at one point. So the tangential angle is 60 degree, they are saying. How can you draw directly those tangents? We cannot draw, right? So how? What is the rule? So you have to remember the sum of opposite angles of a quadrilateral. What is the sum of opposite angles of a quadrilateral children? It will be 180. So now from tangent to center it is always perpendicular. A tangent is always perpendicular to the radius touching the center. Okay, this is always perpendicular means 90, 90. Then what about this angle? So, sum of the opposite angles in a quadrilateral will be 180. 180 minus 60 will be how much? 120 degrees, no? So, now 120 degree. First, what we are going to do, look here, let me show you carefully. So, first, draw a circle. Two methods I am saying here, children. Whichever method you are comfortable, you can go with it. So, first, draw a circle. Then, draw from center to any one radius. You should not take here 60. The tangential inclination angle is 60. Okay. Here 60 means center should be how much? 120. So take a protractor or with the skyver if you need to do like this, you know, no? 60, 60, 120. So from here, what you are going to do? Extend. Okay, so now what is the angle here children? This one will be 120 degree. Now next, these two are 90 said. Now how do you do 90 here? So like this, 60, 60 and both intersects. Where it intersects, extend. This is one tangent. Then again from here, draw an arc like this. Then again, so what you are going to do in order to join, these two will be meeting. Definitely this angle will be 60 degrees. This is one method of drawing a pair of tangents. Another method, what is your another method here children? See both the methods I am going to say now with the free hand children, but you don't try to do with free hand. Please do properly with your geometry box. Now, first thing what I do, same manner here. Let me draw a circle of radius. How much is this children here? This circle radius is how much? This will be 5 centimeters. Draw a circle. So now let me write the radius 5 centimeters. Then if you want to do with a skyver, you can do the angle, or with the protractor you want to do, you can go with it. So that is from here I am going to see 120 degree angle. Okay. So 120 degree angle. I have said it's your choice. Direct with skyver also you can go with 120. 120 degree angle. This is 120 degree. Now, how to do a tangent? Please look here carefully. So now you have drawn a circle like this, right? So now put your point here at the end of the radius or where the point touches the circumference. From here, what's your first step? Draw a semicircle. Now lift the point here to here. Okay? So now draw an arc on the semicircle and above the semicircle. Now this point, keep it here and then cut this arc. Okay, over one tangent is already done. So look here carefully. Where is the tangent here? From this point to always use your scale like this, children. Line will be outside. If you use like this, then it will touch its more part of your circumference. So once again, children, if you want to remember, I'll give you a shortcut. So first at center, you will draw a circle, right? Second, lift that point here and do the semicircle. Then third, lift the point, keep the point here and here one arc and here one arc. Fourth step, lift the skyway, put here, cut the arc, join over tangent. Okay, this is one method, children. Any method you want, you can follow that method. Now, one more. It's not complete actually. I have drawn here only one tangent. How to draw a tangent? Once again, I repeat. First, draw the circle. Then lift the point. Keep here at 2. Draw semicircle. Then at 3, again above and on a semicircle, one more arc. Then at 4, cut the arc, join. This is only a tangent. Now, so only one tangent we have drawn. No, we need to draw another tangent. How do we do? Same steps. But now first, now second. So look here, children. Second. So what am I going to do again? Semicircle. Okay. 1, 2. Semicircle where it touches. There to above one arc. Okay. Now from here to cut the arc. So now where it is cutting, see there carefully. So here it cuts, children. Look here. From here to, yes, this is your point and this angle makes 60 degree. Let me mark A, B, C. I will write here AC and BC are the required tangents. AC, BC are the required tangents and their angle of inclination is 60 degrees. See here, children, there is no rule. Either if you are comfortable with this, you can go with this. Or draw a circle, draw a radius 120 degrees and again here 90, here 90. Exactly, you'll get there 60. Any method is right. You can go properly with the proper steps. Steps they won't ask in exam. If they ask also, you can write, children, how you are constructing. Like that only you make an order of your steps. Fifth problem, children. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. Okay, roughly let's do here. Draw a line segment of length 8 centimeters. Okay. Taking A as center, draw a line segment AB, no children. With A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters, draw a circle. Okay. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters. Okay. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. It's very easy. So look here. So you forget when you are drawing tangents for this circle, you forget this circle. Only you have to remember A point. When you are drawing tangents from this point, you forget this circle. Okay children, you have to observe like this. You need to draw tangents from A point to this circle, 2 tangents. And like this you should draw, children. So here, and how to draw? Actual rules it will be there. No? Draw perpendicular bisector, draw semicircle, semicircle touching the circle, from that point to other circle center we need to do. But how to do? How do you start doing? When you draw a line, okay? So when you want to draw tangents for B circle, you forget about A circle. Forget in the sense, in your book it will be there, but you don't see the circle. You have to see only this one. So if you see from point A how to do the tangent, same method. More than half, above one arc, below one arc. From here, more than half. Cut the arc, then join. Okay, this is the perpendicular you have drawn. Then with this as a center, measure and do the semicircle. Semicircle, make it a circle. Then what happens from this point to semicircle where it touches? There to there, join. These 2 are the tangents for this circle. Now you consider this. What is this one here? Now you should see A circle. Okay? And from B point you need to draw the tangents. Same technique children here. Bisector and everything will be same, and this circle where it touches, directly join. This is the 2 pairs of tangent. This is one pair and this is one pair. So let's start doing the figure here. Draw a line segment. Okay, I have drawn a line segment A, B. Okay children, so now what is this length here? 8 centimeters. Now with A as the center. With A as center, how much children here? 4 centimeters radius. Imagine, okay. So just without construction tools, I am doing with a free hand children. Please do properly with your proper construction box. So now from A as a center, look here, like this you have to put A as a center and 4 centimeters as a radius. Draw a circle. So shall I do with the free hand? So A as a center with a 4 centimeters, draw a circle. Okay. Now what we are going to do here children? B as a center. B as a center, how much? This is 3 centimeters. Take 3 centimeters and then do another circle. What is your first step? Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. With A as center, 4 centimeters radius, draw a circle. And with B as center, 3 centimeters, draw a circle. Now next thing what we need to do? We need to do the tangents for this circle from P point, and for this circle from A point you need to do the tangents. So now what you are going to do here children? Carefully observe carefully here. More than half. This bisector will be same for both children. Okay, more than half. Above, below. And then same measurement above and below. Now next step what we are going to do here? So just join these 2. Okay. Next step, using scale exactly at this 4. This line is 8 centimeter, no? Exactly at 4 centimeter it divides. Now what is your next step here? With this as a center, look here children, with this as a center, measure and do the, children here, Draw a circle. Can you see the colorful circle here? Now what is your problem? This circle, where this purple color touching from there to other circle center, join neatly with a scale. Over. Okay. Then another. Where are another tangents here, children? This circle, where it is touching purple color, from here to other circle center. Okay, I'm going to mark P, Q, R, S. So now what you are going to say here? AR, AS, and one more children here. BP, BQ are the four tangents. So look here, BP and BQ are the tangents for this circle, and AR and AS are the tangents for this circle. So once again I repeat here children, it's not so easy. So first what you need to do, draw a line segment with 8 centimeters as its length. Then with A as center, 4 centimeter as a radius, draw one circle. With B as a center, 3 centimeters, draw a circle. Then next step, do the perpendicular bisector. Then with that as a center, draw a new circle. Then this new circle, where it touches the old circles, from that point to other circle center, if you join, those are only the tangents. Okay children, these are the required tangents is the line you should always end your problem. Okay, tomorrow in our next session, we are going to complete our construction chapter. Thank you all.